Welcome back, students. Let us learn some more important types of functions. See here, one function or injective function. I hope all of you are observing this video and writing down all the definitions in the notebook. See here, it is defined like this: a function f from x to y is said to be one or injective function. To say that it is one or injective, what is the condition here? If the images of distinct elements of x under the function are distinct. See here, different elements of x under f are distinct. Mathematically, we can write it as, for all x1, x2, see, any two elements belongs to first set, f of x1 is equal to f of x2 should imply x1 is equal to x2. So we can understand this by taking the simple example here. See, I have considered one arrow diagram here, x to y, defined a function f from x to y. So I have taken some generally a, b, c, x, y, z and t. You observe here, distinct elements of first set have different images. So we know here, basic here, x is the image of a, y is the image of b, z is the image of c. See here, distinct elements have different images. Such a function is called as injective function, or we can call it as one function. So we can give some more examples here. So main thing is, images of distinct elements of x under f are distinct. That is, mathematically, x1, x2 belongs to x, f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. So this is one of the very important definitions. Then let us go for second one here. See, onto function or surjective, we say surjective function. So what is the meaning of surjective function? So observe carefully. I am repeating once again. Onto or surjective. What is the meaning of surjective function means? Let us take the same set here, x and y. So a function is defined from x to y is said to be onto, say, if every element of y is the image of at least one element of x under f. See, this is very, very, very important here. If every element of y, if every element of second set, y means here this is second set, we have to observe second set here, is the image of at least one element of x under the function f. It is as good as saying that codomain of the function should be equal to range of the function. So how we can understand this? So let us take this here. Let us take one. So I have taken two sets x and y. So I have defined the function here from x to y. So I have taken this. So observe this. For onto function, we must concentrate on the second set here. See here, no elements should be left in the second set. See here, D is the image of A, also D is the image of B, then E is the image of C. So here, codomain, we know here codomain is D comma E, and range, so range is also D comma E. See here, codomain is equal to range. Such a function is called onto function. So that's why we say that if every element of y is the image of at least one element of x under the function f. So this is as good as saying that codomain of the function is equal to range of the function. So see, very, very important definitions here. One function and onto function.